In this video, I will show you how to get this keyboard background color and effect on your Samsung phone. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. First thing to do is download this Good Luck app from the Samsung store. If you're from unsupported country and Good Luck app is not available, then use Find Luck from Play Store. Now from the tools below, look for the Keys Cafe. Download this module to use it. Let's now open Keys Cafe. In here, click the Style Your Own Keyboard. Under Color, turn on this toggle. Now you can create a new keyboard theme by clicking this button, or you can simply choose from the recommended list below. Let's say I'll use this one. To preview the keyboard, click this keyboard icon in here. You can also add effects to your keyboard. Go to Effects. Choose below the keyboard effect that you like. Tap on this keyboard icon to preview the effect that you picked. I hope this video is helpful. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click other videos to keep on watching.